Credo for Keywords is a tutorial that will help you come up with a good keyword list, which is important for finding good research. We can think of Credo as an academic Wikipedia. To access Credo, you will go under the Quick Access box on the library homepage and click on Databases. From here, you will click on See, and then you will scroll down to find Credo Reference from this list. If you have not yet logged in to your portal, you will be prompted to log in with your JJC username and password. Credo provides popular topics under different subject headings. This is a good place to look if you are deciding on a research topic. I can type my topic into the main search box. I will use social media as my topic. I have a main heading page where I can learn more about my topic from the Sociology of Work and Encyclopedia. To the right, I also have a mind map for my topic, which will provide additional keywords and connections to other key topics. Clicking on the main page, I can read a great overview on my topic. At this time, I will be adding additional keywords to my search list from the text. I can also look at the related searches that are provided for me. And if I scroll through this document, when I get to the bottom, I will have a See Also section where I can find additional keywords. And when I scroll to the very bottom, you'll see I have an option for citing the source. I will use either APA or MLA, which I will then copy and paste into a works cited page. Scrolling back up to the top, I have an option where I can share this, which means that I would then be able to email this document to myself. For additional questions or help using this resource, please visit library.jjc.edu or contact librarian@jjc.edu.